Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely and efficiently. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Solana from your Arculus wallet to your Phantom wallet. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and without any hiccups. Why bother? Well, Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana interactions, offering great features for DeFi and NFTs, while Arculus provides top-notch security for storage. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and access to your Solana funds in Arculus. Start by opening the Arculus Wallet app on your device. Log in securely. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Next, navigate to your Solana account within Arculus. You'll see your balance. Select the option to send or transfer funds. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet. Open the app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Solana address. It's that long string of characters, double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Back in Arculus, paste the Phantom address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Once you're happy, hit confirm and approve the transaction using your Arculus security method, like a PIN or biometric verification. After a few seconds, your Solana should appear in your Phantom wallet. To verify, refresh the app and check your balance. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute. Blockchain transactions can sometimes take a bit. One quick tip: always double-check addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, keep an eye on network congestion in 2025. Solana is scalable, but high traffic might slow things down. There you have it. You've successfully transferred your Solana. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.